Very good morning, friends. I'm Nalnakshi Swami. Welcoming to my channel, Smart Index Edge. I wish you very profitable day. Before starting analysis, I'm wishing this. Actually, what has happened in the market, it was a dump and then it was a pump. From Wednesday, around 135, market started dumping till Thursday, 120. 135 to 120, and then it has been pumped almost near the 1:30 p.m. level of the Wednesday's level, creating hope that it may continue, follow through candle will come and it may go up. It was a V-shaped recovery, but the price could not get accepted there, and price started coming down on Friday. With the same vigor, it came down and consolidated around 135 box it has made. Consolidation box is around 135. You can see 135. And the market broke down below this and finally closed around 24,363. Made a low of 24,337. And actually, this level is important because it is a flip level. And also, we are near the monthly levels. Let me go to the monthly chart, reset it. And, here, this is the monthly. If I place the cursor, this is May month levels. You can see May month, it was opened around 24,311. And it made a high of 25,116 and made a low of 23,935. It closed around 24,750. Though it made a low of a drastic 23,935, 24,000, it closed around higher than that. Now we are almost near the 3 months low. 3 months low. This is 6 months. 6 months move from the Nifty from 21,743 to 25,000. Okay. Now we are almost, these levels are very important. Why? Because long term traders, whether they are going to support or resist. I mean, they are not going to support. This level is very crucial for the market. If the long-term traders who have come over here, taken the, push the market higher, they have to support. Because this on June month, it is a breakdown. July was a breakdown from the June month, and now we are approaching the May month levels. So let us go to the weekly chart and see weekly levels are also placed around this level. So weekly and monthly levels are placed, and this red candle was a trap week candle because it was a bullish week and it has been engulfed by the bearish week and it has been short covered. Short covered, see, the market had gone down to 24,037 and it has next week, it has been pumped up. So here, trapping has been done over here and we are near this level. So any levels, there are so many levels, multiple levels I have marked. For the Nifty, it can halt around 24,267, 24,171 and 24,056. These are the levels you can watch for the intraday. Intraday is a bit tricky because it can stop anywhere. And what is the problem in noticing seeing the proper level is we are not trading on the Nifty. We are tend to trade on the option market by seeing the underlying. So there comes the exact levels should be very, very important. If you miss even 30 points, you will be losing so much of premium in the option chain. Option now, whether it is a call option or a put option, if you are a buyer, it will hurt you. For a seller, it doesn't matter. He can sit through from the top and he can enjoy the decaying benefits. It is not so. For an option buyer, it needs to be the entry should be precise, level should be precise. So, for that, we need to be aware of the levels where it can stop and we can observe the price action around that level. Okay, now let me go to the 15 minutes time frame, and it is now the beginning of the week. This is Friday's range, and Monday is going to begin. If Monday's levels, suppose if you see, this is the box. This is the box, consolidation box from where market has come down. So let me apply the market profile, not market profile, volume profile. Let us see where the volumes are concentrated. You can see POC is here and the value area is here. So POC and most of the trades have taken place around this area. This is the, suppose if the market opens here, it may face resistance around 24,436. Or if it goes down and comes back, if it crosses this level, it can go up to 24,500. Now, today's trade, let me take it out. Today, these are the immediate resistance points because price has traded with volume and price has not been accepted at this level. Sellers have dominated from this level. So this is the potential resistance for the market. 24,450 is the potential resistance. We do not know the support, where it is going to. If it breaks down, where it will halt, we need to keenly watch whether it is 24,275, whether it is 24,157. We need to watch because it is a daily, it is bound to ATR, one ATR, so it cannot expand unless it is an unusual thing. Sometimes expansion will be there, much expansion like this. On Thursday, there was a much expansion because of the expiry. So, according to the week's levels, the levels I calculated are 24,512 on the upper side, the daily high, and 23,956 on the lower side. And weekly high to be 24,770. Daily high, daily low, I missed it. Anyway, these are the levels you need to watch for today, and you need to trade carefully because week on week what the market is doing is following the some pattern. It is making a lower high peaks and it is coming down. This is the weekly low 24,457, and this was the previous weekly peak 24,958, and the current week's peak is 24,646. So this will act as a reference for our this week, current week, running week, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Thursday is a stunted week, so price action maybe has to go through only Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Friday is holiday. So coming to the Bank Nifty, I'm on the daily chart. Daily chart, you can see it is almost near the some major support. These are the supports because from this area, you can see the price has moved higher and it has come down and then it has consolidated and moved higher. So it is a consolidation box. Almost market has entered into this box, and this immediate support is around 54,658 and immediate resistance is around 55,351 and the faraway resistance is 55,924 and the faraway support is 54,085. So friends, because monthly levels and weekly levels are stacked near the present Nifty and Bank Nifty levels, then you need to carefully watch because monthly levels and weekly levels are long-term players levels. That's why I usually watch the weekly levels and monthly levels. Thank you very much, friends. Nalinakshi Swami signing off.